Yo, 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 what's up? This is Cribs, Christmas Decoration Edition. Ho, ho, ho. What's going on? This is Chris Colgan. We are at my parents' house, and no, I do not live in the basement, so don't ask that. But this place is crazy. My mom goes all out. I told her, hey, you know what? Because of COVID, let's go low key. And she obviously didn't listen. So Mom, come over here for a second. Like, I want you to give these guys a tour of all these crazy decorations. Hi. There's my mom right here.
Hi.
And even like Santa's going to come down the chimney. He's going to be like, holy crap, look at all this stuff. So like, Mom.
I was a little reluctant to get involved with this venture of Chris's, because I don't trust him. Yeah,
she don't trust me that I'm not going to try to make her look dumb, but
yeah, exactly.
Yeah, so let's start right. Let's just go ahead and show them the house. Let's go. Come on.
Let's go.
All right, so like, where do you even like store stuff? Like, here, well, first of all, before I start, every time they start decorating this place, I like dip out.
Yes,
I like go on vacation, or like I say I'm sick or something, because stuff like, where do you like store all this stuff? That's someone ever asked me.
I have a huge storage basement that I can put everything in.
So like all the Christmas stuff goes down there?
Yep. And all my family hates this time of year because they know how much work it is.
Yeah, and imagine like taking all this stuff down, stuff down. So look at this tree. Like, where did you get this tree at?
This is actually a nutcracker tree that comes up and down. It takes me about 3 hours to decorate it.
All right, awesome, nice.
Love it.
All right, and then this is the other thing that I really like. All these like mini Santas going up the staircase, which I have no idea what the point is, but it's cool. So what's up with these? Where do these come from?
Well, actually, my mother started giving me Santa Clauses probably 25 years ago, and every year she added to it. And my mother has passed away, so this really means a lot to me. Not Chris, but to me it does.
Now I feel like a jerk, but. All right, so this is the sitting room. So as you walk through here, we got some more decorations, the piano, which none of us know how to play. All right, so I really like this room a lot. This is a sitting room. It doesn't get used a lot, but one of my favorite things about Christmas time was if we would all sit here, because we usually have like 100 people here on Christmas Eve?
Christmas Eve.
Well, obviously because of COVID, we're not going to do it. My mom really loves Christmas. She didn't want the grandkids to miss out on having a good Christmas. So this is a sitting room, and it's like nicely decorated and got some like fishing stuff, because we have a nice house in Lake Anna we like to go to, and then the Christmas bear. What else in here is like, do you like, Mom?
I like all the ornaments, and of course I like the snowmans that are for outside at the lake, and I like all the lake ornaments. So I love this room anyway. It's just such a great place to sit out here.
Does anybody like help you decorate this outside of like, you know what I mean? Like, I know people help you carry it up. Does anyone help you put it together?
Well, this year, I have neighbor kids, John and Laura and Ryan Keene, that help pull stuff up for me. And then my granddaughter, Sydney, and her 3 girlfriends have helped me work this year too.
What a blessing they are that I don't have to help with that. What a blessing. All right, let's keep going. Let's go look at this crazy place. Come on. All right, yeah, so this is the dining room area, the nutcracker room. And she has all these nutcrackers, all this Christmas stuff. Every year we would all usually get her some exposed Christmas stuff. But I think it got to the point where you like had the whole like set, right?
I had a lot, but I love it.
Yeah, loves it all. And then my mom has this like, where did you get this like fashion tree at?
Actually, my husband, I begged him to make it. So we went and got the things and we made the tree ourselves. But I have Stage Door Dance Studio. My daughter is now the owner of it. And so I grew up dancing. She grew up dancing. So we obviously love the nutcrackers at Christmas time.
Yeah, and like, so hold up. So Dad actually like made that thing? Because there's no way I believe that.
No, he did. We got a regular Christmas tree and cut the things off. And then he put them on there and he did it.
Yeah. All right, well, I guess I kind of believe it. I didn't know he was good at sewing, but I'm going to have to...
There's no sewing. No.
Oh, okay, that makes sense then. All right, let's keep walking then. All right, yeah, so this is actually probably like my favorite room, because this is like where we would all start at Christmas Eve before we would do this big mystery presents we would do, especially when my grandfather was alive. And so we still actually do the whole tradition with my father, but it was a great room for like all of us to gather around, which is kind of going to be sad around COVID, but it's a good room to all chill out. And then up here on the fireplace mantle, we got all like my nieces and my nephews, stocking, mine, of course. Now, who's that like really cute kid? Because all the other kids aren't as good looking. Who is that? Who is it?
It's Chris Colgan. Yes.
See, folks, I tell you.
Yes.
So tell me, like, what's up with that? Like, I don't even know what's going on. Is that like a rocket reindeer?
It's a rocket sexy reindeer.
Rocket sexy reindeer. Yeah. Did you walk into the store and be like, just get me a rocket sexy reindeer?
No, believe it or not, we found it in a store in North Carolina.
Oh, nice. And then this is the ballet tree. So that tree, like, that tree's got to take you the most, doesn't it?
Takes a long time, and I love this tree probably the most because as a dance instructor, I would always get ornaments for Christmas from my students. And so basically, I probably have 200 ornaments that were basically all gifts to me from my kids at Stage Door. So I love it.
And then like this right here, my parents, when they first met, they would actually get in a sleigh and they would ride and the horse would pull them around. And this really fond memory.
Don't listen to him. That's not true. That's not true.
See how serious I am?
It's not true.
All right, so we're in the kitchen. I'm not gonna like show you the kitchen because all that's gonna be in here is like water, diet root beer. That's all my dad drinks. But Mom, like tell me about this room. Like what's going on in here? Like what's all this stuff?
It's probably a lot of junk really, but it's my junk. Obviously, growing up in the dance world, I love rhinestones. My husband got me that beautiful rhinestone mixer a couple years ago. And basically, this is where we all hang out. I love when my grandkids come and we just sit here. In fact, there's our baking goods. We're going to bake Monday. And we just have a lot of fun in here.
Like, look, like who in the world has a rhinestone iPad? But hey, you know what? That's what she's into. And then also, we got some more Christmas stuff. This thing she's had forever right here.
Again, my mother made that.
This says Dear Santa, like a cookie jar. And we got some other cool stuff in here. Like I can remember from being a little boy, just like seeing some of this stuff. So a lot of this stuff's been around forever.
I don't know how, because I'm only 20, so that's kind of hard to have it forever.
All right, I'm gonna show you guys downstairs. Got a little reindeer here you can see on the way down. And then my mom and dad, they already have all the presents ready. Now, these are gifts for probably like 30 people down here. So don't be thinking this is all for me down here before you pass out and look at them. So this is the basement area. And during like Christmas time, if it wasn't COVID, the whole Colgan family would be down here. So we have a ton of those gifts as well. So even down here is decorated, and this is where we would all hang out. My grandfather or my dad would do mystery presents over here with all the kids like screaming and all that stuff.
Gets kind of crowded. We have we've had up to 118 people down here
like
for
100,
Christmas.
Yeah, so, and then you can come over here and see all these presents. I would assume most are for me, as I'm like the most beloved in the family. But what's up with this tree? Where did you get this one at?
I think I've got that at a fundraiser for the Linton Hall sisters. They were having a huge fundraiser and I purchased it.
Yeah. And then the cool thing I like about this basement too is like, they've had this house for 17, 18 years now. My dad has all the aviation stuff down here from my grandfather and his aviation days, all my grandfather's senator stuff. And this is a really cool place to like hang out and have a good like Christmas time, you know, like Christmas, like all the kids just go crazy, you know?
Yeah, they go crazy down here. Really, you should take a picture of the aftermath of the mess that's left.
Yeah, and again, that's when I dip out, like, because that's a good thing about not having any kids, because I can be like, all right, guys, this isn't as fun anymore. Like, now the kids are opening their presents. Like, I'll see you later. Merry Christmas. And then I'm laughing on my way home as I don't have to clean up. So
good at that.
I am good at that. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed all the Christmas decorations and all that. I just wanted to show you guys, you know, all the stuff my mom does. I know it's a lot of work for her just to get it all together. And it's such a weird time right now with COVID, and a lot of people haven't been putting up their decorations. So kind of just wanted to show, you know, what she does and how the craziness of this house. So like, Mom, why do you continue to do this every year?
I love Christmas. I love the happiness it brings me and the happiness it brings everyone else. And with COVID, I felt we almost had to go overboard again this year.
To say the least, but yeah.
Yeah, a little overboard. I hope you've all enjoyed it. And maybe one day you can all come and visit. Yeah,
one day when things get back to normal, we'll have you all over, come visit. And yeah, show them. She wants to really see everybody. She wants everybody to see her Christmas mask.
Because I really, really want everybody to wear their mask. Please, please. It's not that hard.
Yeah, it's not that hard to wear your mask, as I'm not wearing a mask right now. But all right, yep. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions about these decorations, comment below, like the video, please subscribe to my channel. And next year, hopefully, we'll be COVID-free, low-key Christmas. And again, I won't be helping putting this stuff up. I'll just get to enjoy it like you guys did. Thank you.
Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?